Do you like the cold? Because I really don't. But I will say it allows us to bring out all our favorite soup recipes that we can enjoy on a cold winter's day or night. So maybe I'm okay with the cold weather. Actually, when it drops below zero, that. Screw it. I hate it. You can't even go outside and enjoy yourself. Screw that. Ah! Hey everyone, Mark here, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. So it's cold out, but I'm gonna warm you up with my tomato soup recipe that I hope will become a favorite of yours. I'm gonna be using San Marzano tomatoes. Now, typically you wouldn't use San Marzano tomatoes in a tomato soup, but when you can have a tomato that's grown in the volcanic soils in the shadows of Mount Vesuvius in the Napoli region, I mean, come on, right? So, soup's on. Let's go. So let's grab a 28-ounce tin of San Marzano peeled tomatoes. Now it's important that you see on the can the letters and the logo DOP, which stands for Denominazione d'Origine Protetta, which roughly means Protected Designation of Origin. This just means that you're getting a product where its origins are from the location that is specified. This certification basically protects the reputation of regional foods and to distinguish from any competition. So I love these tomatoes. They're more dense, they're fruitier, less acidic, and they break down great when cooking. So the base of this soup starts with our sofrito or mirepoix, which is basically celery, onion, and carrots. So let's chop up 2 celery stalks, 1 large peeled carrot, half of a white onion, and our sofrito is done. Toss it all in a bowl. Next up, 3 cloves of sliced garlic, and then get some Parmigiano Reggiano. But we aren't grating any cheese today. We're just gonna slice off a bit of the rind and we're gonna add that to our soup. This is gonna help give us a nice, rich, deep flavor. Save your cheese rinds, don't throw them away. Use them for stocks, soups, and sauces. And because this hunk of love is sitting right in front of me, you know I'm gonna grab a piece. Next, we're gonna add some fresh thyme, about 3 tablespoons worth. And I love when it perfectly slides off the stem, just like that, so smooth. It's the little things that make me happy. Let's make our soup now. In a large pot on medium heat, add a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add our sofrito with the garlic and season with salt and freshly cracked pepper. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, chili flakes if you wanna bring that hot heat, and then a 1/4 cup of tomato paste. But when adding your tomato paste, create a little hot spot in the pan so that you can toast your tomato paste. It's gonna bring out so much more flavor. About after a minute of toasting, we can saute everything for about 5 minutes. And then add your tomatoes and about 4 to 5 cups of vegetable stock. And then 1 bay leaf, that fresh thyme, and that Parmigiano Reggiano rind. And then cover and let it simmer on low to medium heat for about an hour. Now that the soup is done simmering, we're gonna fish out that bay leaf and that Parmigiano Reggiano rind. And then it's blending time. You can blend in a blender in batches, or if you have an immersion blender, go right in the pot like I am. And then just blend until your desired consistency. But we're not done yet. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of cream, a 1/4 cup of butter, and we're gonna stir and let simmer for another 10 minutes. And then we can plate. All right, there we have it. I'm not a fan of doing this. Creamy tomato soup with San Marzano tomatoes. Let's give it a taste. Oh, deep and rich in flavor, super creamy. And you know, you get a nice balance between the sweetness and the acid of the tomatoes. It's delicious. Now, I'm not gonna say to make a grilled cheese sandwich with this, but make a grilled cheese sandwich with this. Magic. You gotta dip. So I hope you give this a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.